Assalamualaikum everyone. So today our topic is about K-mean algorithm. What is K-mean algorithm and how does it works? K-mean clustering is an unsupervised learning algorithm which groups the unlabeled dataset into different clusters. We consider the subsets of set. So clustering is a categorization of objects into different groups, or more precisely, we can say that the partitioning of a dataset into subsets, so that the dataset in each subset shares some common traits. Here K defines a number of predefined clusters that need to be created in the process, as if K is equal to 2, then there will be cluster 2, and for K is equal to 3, then there will be cluster 3, and for K is equal to 4, then there will be 4 cluster. Question is, how does K-mean algorithm works? As we know that it allows us to cluster the data into different groups. It is an centroid-based algorithm where each cluster is associated with a centroid. The main aim or the basic work of this algorithm is to minimize the sum of distance between the data points and their corresponding clusters. The algorithm takes the unlabeled dataset as input and then divides the dataset into k number of clusters and repeat the process until it does not define the best cluster. As you can say that here are the steps: iteration through items. First we initialize k points, then assign each item to its closer mean and update the mean coordinates. Then repeat the process until we have our clusters. So K-mean clustering algorithm mainly perform two tasks, which is determine the best value for K center points or centroids, we can say, and then assign each data point to its closest K center. Those data points which are near to the particular K center create a cluster. So take a look. Here we initialize K-mean with the random value as data of marks of student randomly. Let's take a number k of cluster. K is equal to 3 to identify the data set and to put them into different clusters. Mean here we will try to group these data set into different clusters. We need to choose some random k points, which is called centroid, to form the clusters. These points can either be the points from the dataset or any other points. So we are here selecting the below 2 points as k points, as you can say that C1 and C2, 10 and 22 stars from the data set that are given. Now we will assign each data point of a scatter plot its closest k point, as we need to find the closest cluster. So we will repeat the process by choosing a new centroid with while function. So here can say we have import random so that we can choose a random value of a student marks as a data. There are two centroids C1 and C2. While C1 is equal to C2, then the while group clustering, we can choosing a new centroid. We will repeat this process until we have our best cluster. So after implementation of it, given data 10, 13, 22, 12, 34, 38, 41, 45, 49, 58, and so on. Iteration, the first iteration has random value C1 10 and C2 22. Then, then the X1, which is 10, 13, 12, and X2 22, 34, 38, and thus and so on. The clustering of this iteration is about x1, that is 0, 3, and 2, which is which is can say that is predetermined in these in this algorithm between the data points and their corresponding cluster. As we discussed about, the main aim of this algorithm is to minimize the sum of distance in data points and their corresponding clusters. So each cluster is associated with a centroid. Here, the second iteration is implemented. There, C1 is equal to 12 and C2 is equal to 43, which are basically uh, a data set of given inputs. Then after implementation of this, we have cluster 1, cluster 2, which is 2, 1, 10, 0, and then 9, 5, 2, 2, 6, 12, 17. Then there will be iteration 3, where 14, 46 are the clustering, and we have the after implementation we have our best centroid as required. Thank you.